shaking, guys. I'm not going to hurt the animal.
Oh!
I'm going to let the guy do it because at this point, oh, you can't. I understand, man, but he's got like a death grip on that thing. I'm going to give him another piece of meat. Alright, I need assistance over on aisle 1.
It's alligator aisle, actually.
Hey, you break his neck. Rip him off.
We're having Gator for dessert. Alright, Sean, what do I do now? What is the deal, dude? Hey, excuse me, sir. It's stuck.
Wait, what is up?
He's honestly not letting go of it, or either it's stuck. I'm not jerking the thing, man. I'm not killing a gator. Seriously. That's hilarious. Wow, you can't do it. Hey, he works here. I don't care. Thanks, man. I don't